And right now, Southern California is dealing with extremely critical fire conditions that are caused by the worsening Santa Ana winds.
Yeah, the winds are expected to create some new problems now through tomorrow. NBC's Jennifer Bjorklund has the latest from the ground in Pacific Palisades, California. Jennifer.
Lena, Matt, it is such a frightening time for everyone all over Los Angeles as we wait for this wind event to develop and hope that we stay out of the path of the flames.
To say the fires burning in Southern California look like scenes from a blockbuster movie, not an exaggeration, says a Hollywood film cinematographer who packed up and got out of his home in Mandeville Canyon, adjacent to the Palisades fire. He's confident in the crews that have saved his home once already.
They have hoses lined up everywhere. They have cut out the separation road from the fire. So that all things to me makes me feel so confident that this would be a happy ending.
First responders surprised to see Jay Leno serving up food in a region so many entertainers call home. All over Southern California, people are packing up just in case.
And we've been monitoring the fires and on CAL FIRE map, and also looking out over the horizon to see if we can see any smoke.
And fire crews are fanned out in strike teams at the ready to prevent even more loss, which already is staggering.
Our goal is to address both the immediate challenges and the long-term needs of those infected by these devastating events.
Firefighters who've been on the job for 25, 30 years to say to me that in their entire careers, they have never seen destruction like this. They have never seen wind so fierce.
And what the next few hours forecast could bring more of the same.
And the mayor went on to say that we don't have hurricanes or experience really with hurricanes here in Southern California, but imagine a dry hurricane carrying flames, sparks, and embers. That's what first responders have been up against. And the next few hours, the next 24 especially, will be critical. I'm Jennifer Bjorklund, live in Pacific Palisades. Matt, Lena, back to you two.
All right, Jennifer, thank you.